Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification from the two universities. So one is a private university and second one is a state university. So hope this video will helpful to you in your career purpose. So let us see the details regarding this notification. So before going into the main content of this video, here Unacademy is providing the crash courses for the candidates who are writing the NTA UGC NET exam in this May 2021. So the crash course batches are live on the platform. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. All the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, first we will see the private university walk-in interview. Here the professor associate and assistant professor, research associates and outreach experts vacancies are there. And coming to the areas of specialization, agricultural technology, bioinformatics, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, computer science and engineering, management, law, education, mathematics, English, physics, economics, environmental management, sustainability, business analytics, agribusiness management, psychology, pharmacy, Ayurveda, naturopathy and yogic sciences. And coming to the date and time of walk-in interview, so Saturday, April 3rd, 2021. Morning 10 to 4 p.m. and the venue is also mentioned here. If you are having any queries, the contact number also mentioned here. Okay, and if you want to download the application form, simply scan this barcode. Okay, that the application form will be downloaded. And if you are having any queries apart from this apart from this number, here the email ID is also provided, sucareers@shobituniversity.ac.in. and the official website ID is also provided here, so you may go through this one, guys. And for your reference purpose, I will provide this link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down. And the next one, state university, is the Goa University. Okay, so Goa University invites applications from eligible candidates for recruitment of the vacancies of teaching post on regular basis. The last date for application form, online application form, is 19th April 2021. And here you may check down the professor associate and assistant professor vacancies in the biophysics and computational physics. Okay, and while coming to the minimum, both these two, minimum 15 years of residence in Goa and knowledge of Konkani and the knowledge of Marathi shall be desirable. Okay, so once if you are fine with both these 2 points, then we can go to the educational requirements. Okay. And coming to the application fee, 1000 rupees and 7000 rupees for the candidates from abroad. Okay, these are the application fee. And coming to the qualification in the assistant professor, you may check down in the biophysics, master's degree with at least 55% of marks or else with PhD. Okay, and eligibility conditions for faculty positions in computational physics, 55% in physics, a specialization also mentioned here. So they are not discussing about the UGC. Here they mentioned, besides fulfilling the above qualification, UGC SELECT qualification must be there. Okay, so this PDF link also I will provide at the end of this description box of this video. So interested candidates may check down, guys. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide